So the next step on InspectionWorks is to actually review your inspection data. So for this example, I'm actually going to go back to my inspections and let's take a look at another inspection that I uploaded previously with some real inspection data. So you see I have a number of different images in my compressor section. What you can do is you can actually click on one of these images to review. So over here on the right-hand menu, when I'm looking at this image, I see all the details. So I see who it was added by, when it was last modified, um, any measurement information that was captured, if you're using 3D phase measurement, will be shown here as well. It'll show all of the different node and module information about where exactly uh, in the asset or in the MDI this picture was taken, and location if that's available. Then you have a few different options. So if you want to change the structure of the image, so where it sits in the MDI, you can actually change that here. So I can change the section where the image is stored. I can go to characterization. So here we observed a crack on the device, but if I edit this, I can actually choose and change the list of defects. So if I change my mind at the point of review, I can change that here. Next is annotations. So you can add annotations directly to the image. And in this section, you can also run our ADR algorithms or assisted defect recognition algorithms. So if you click this little A for analytics, you can actually run one of the pre-existing models that we have. So let's run our gas power assist version 4.1 assisted defect recognition model. Click run analytics, and you see it finds a defect here on the image. And I can either accept or reject this defect. It shows me the level of confidence, what type of defect it found, and I can add comments as well. So let's go ahead and accept this. Next, we can add comments to the image. So these comments will actually show up in the final report. And I can also notify different users. So if I have another user that's added to this account and I want them to say, maybe take another look at this image, I can put in their email address and add a comment and send notification, and they'll receive a link to this inspection. And if they have the proper access, they can just click that link and view it. Again, if I want to, as I'm reviewing, I can actually flag this image right here at the top, and that'll just make it easier for when I go and generate my report at the very end. And you can actually go through and look at all the different images in your inspection. So here's the next image. You see it's got all the measurement information here on the right-hand side. And I can just continue to go through and look at all these different images.